Blockchain technology today is changing many areas and giving them positive dynamics. Blockchain can make a huge difference for the better and the public sector of governance. Blockchain technology has many benefits that can be used by government agencies. Blockchain can increase decentralization, data integrity and transparency, as well as improve efficiency and reduce operational costs. The structure of the blockchain network is immutable and can be configured in such a way as to provide access to specific information to a specific person or body, and only in some cases make changes to it by authorized parties. The validator can be various governing bodies or individual authorized persons, each of which is involved in the distribution and validation process. This will help reduce the likelihood of data fraud and fraud. In addition, blockchain can be an excellent solution in the electoral process. Blockchain will help make elections transparent and fair. Due to its unchanging network structure, blockchain is an excellent solution to prevent vote forgery. Thanks to blockchain, secure and fair voting can become a reality.